Hello everybody, it is time to flatten the Oz table. If you look at the bottom right hand side of the table, you'll clearly see where we put our prism molds in and have the negative there. And usually flattening represents that we're getting pretty close to the end, but in this case it doesn't so much. I'm going to do more than a little bit of power carving on both sides of the ends of this table. You know, jazz it up. I think before I do that though, I'm going to sand it to 80 grit. And that'll let me spray some alcohol on the surface to see where I got to put all my lines at, along with the added benefit of having a slightly smoother working surface. There's still a couple of you that don't get what I'm going for, and that's okay. That's like literally what I'm going for. By the time I finish the power carving and the round over, I want it to be slightly confusing when you look at the table. I want people to make a double take at it trying to figure out what exactly is going on. But for the sake of the newcomers, I'll describe it one more time. Okay, so I made some molds that went in the bottom of the table. Then I removed the molds, which left an air pocket the shape of the mold. So you can think of it like a bubble on the bottom of the epoxy that's there on purpose that's shaped like a prism. Then I'm going to put a large round over right over the top of where most of the prisms are. Then I'm going to polish it all to crystal clear. Well, it's green, so more like emerald clear. And large roundovers and clear epoxy tend to catch your eye. Then the prism-shaped air pockets in the bottom of the table should kind of draw your eye down, kind of confusing you at what you're looking at. Kind of like on the days when I wear my pink prosthetic toe. Is it a Band-Aid? Is it a piece of fabric? What is going on with that man's foot? So the next thing I'm going to do is run the video backward and say I invented a machine that prints epoxy in wood. So look for my funding website because it's definitely not a scam.